Need to unzip a zip file on your iPhone? You don't need a third-party app. Here's how to do it on any iPhone. First, make sure the zip file is saved in the Files app. If someone sent you the zip file through Messages, Mail, or another app, tap the Share button and choose Save to Files. Select where you want to save it, such as on my iPhone or iCloud Drive, and tap Save. Now, open the Files app and navigate to the location where you saved the zip file. Once you find the zip file, simply tap it once. Your iPhone will automatically extract the contents and create a new folder containing the files. You can tap that folder to view everything inside. If tapping the ZP file doesn't extract it, press and hold the zip file. From the menu that appears, select Uncompress. That's it. Your files will be extracted and ready to use. So, whether you received a zip file by email, downloaded one from the internet, or got one through a message, you can unzip it directly on your iPhone using the built-in Files app.